this city, fortunately, I don't say it's a very methodical or planning or coincidentally it has happened. Systematically, lot of studies were done, plans were done, and with some sheer coincidence of the Almighty, I think things are happening and we are seeing some road development works happening here, some major projects happening here. But is this enough? The question, that's a big question mark. Like there was a trend when we went for flyovers, we thought flyovers will solve the city. Then we said we'll go for MMTS. MMTS we thought will solve the city. We thought PVNR Expressway, our outer ring road, our widening of all major roads, which all the departments took it serious and they had done this. But in spite of all these developments, if you see the, for example, the amount of widening we have done in Hyderabad, no other city in India has done so much of widening we have done. Still we find the problems persist. So keeping this in mind, why this happened might be the lifestyle change, the amount of growth the city has attracted. See, lifestyle change, just now I was discussing with somebody. Earlier, as he was saying, even till I got into graduate and became earning person, it was a luxury to have even a scooter. Public transport used to be, RTC used to be my regular commuting. But now you ask your sons and kids, the day they come to college or intermediate, they ask for a motorcycle. The day they get an IT job, they go for a car and a house. So whole lifestyle has changed. With this, the travel characteristics, the traffic characteristics, the entire thing has screwed up. It's no more the way what we were earlier realizing. I came across many of the industries when MNCs were coming to India or Hyderabad. They used to meet various government officials. One of the things they used to comment is how efficient is public transport here. Nowadays, most of the industries, they also look at as a social responsibility how their employees can move from the office to their house and house to office, whatever. So what we did is, earlier last studies, the comprehensive studies were done last time was in 1918 for Hyderabad. That was well known as Hyderabad Area Transportation Study. Thanks to that study, we have got some of the projects on ground. The MMTS is the outcome of that study at that time. And there was a LRT proposal that gradually took 30 years to materialize as a metro. So transportation projects have a long gestation period. You plan now, you work out now, it takes almost 20 to 30 years to realize. Because it's an investment where you don't get returns. It's not a business where you invest at third year, fourth year onwards, you have a cash flow. We selected a consultant, Mrs. Lee Associates, and Mr. T.S. Reddy is the team leader of that consultancy. He is a quite eminent personality. He hails from Andhra Pradesh and from Hyderabad. He has a long attachment and association with Hyderabad. He worked as a director of Central Road Research Institute of India in Delhi. Extensive experience he carries with him. And the study has revealed certain alarming things. Like one of the things is population. It took almost 400 years for Hyderabad to grow to 90 lakhs. But from 90 lakhs, it hardly takes 30 to 40 years to grow to 190 lakhs. That's a growth is projected. So think about it. It took 400 years to get a 90 lakhs population, and we are struggling with such a snail's speed we are not able to match. Now suddenly next 30-35 years we are going to be 190 lakhs. Almost 1 crore we will be adding. You know, it's an equal population of Hyderabad. Another Hyderabad will be adding in 30-35 years. Touch wood, things have gone right all this time, but I don't know whether next 30 years we'll have same. So there is a need to plan. And they had done a detailed analysis, they'll present it, and they came out with proposals what should be the future city shape should be. And more emphasize it, not more, maximum emphasis in the study is on two issues. One is improving the efficiency of public transport. Why it is necessary is, it is the one which gives you comfortable, convenient, reliable, affordable transport.